Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get back set to minimize all inactive window in Windows 11 computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 computer. So set to minimize was a very popular and very useful features which was available in the Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8 version. So still you can get this set to minimize options on your respective Windows 11 operating system. So by default, so let me show you. Firstly, say let me open one window, let me open one more window. So whenever I check, so nothing gonna happen, right? So you can see here nothing happens. Even the inactive window does not get hide. So you can see here when if I check from top to bottom, nothing happens, right? So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, just press Win and I to open the settings. So under the settings, on the system option, just scroll down. Here you will see one option named as multitasking, right? Just click on it, and now you can see here on the last option, title bar window set. So by default on every Windows 11 computer, this option will get turned off. So you need to enable this if you want to get back the set to minimize option. So once you enable it, now you can just close it and let us open the programs. So let me open one more program. So now say the down one is inactive, right? So this one is active. So whenever I shake it, so you can see here the inactive window gets minimized. So if you shake it again, it will just restore it back. So if I shake it again, so you can see here, so this option is still present inside the Windows 11 operating system, but by default this option has been turned off. So you need to go to the Windows settings to enable this option, and if you don't feel like using it again, just move back to the settings option and just move back to the same option, that is the multitasking, and you can just disable it if you don't require it anymore. So this is the way how to get back set to minimize all inactive window in Windows 11 computer. So if you never known about this features available on your respective Windows 11 operating system, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.